now, Ministry of Home Affairs has given more powers to investigating agencies in terms of interception as Union Home Secretary Rajiv Gauba issued an order authorizing 10 central agencies with interception, monitoring as well as decryption of any information that is generated, transmitted, received or stored in any computer. So what it essentially means is that every computer is now under a government watch. This is for the first time that these powers of scanning data have been given to various agencies. My colleague Neeta Sharma, tracking that story very closely, now joins us. Neeta, very good morning to you. You know, this essentially means that every computer around the country is now going to be watched on by these 10 different agencies. Tell us, why was this issued? Why was this notification issued? And what kind of agencies will be looking at what kind of data on our computers?
You know, Snika, there are 10 different agencies, including Intelligence Bureau, Research Analysis Wing, and also other tax-related agencies. Also, the Gazette notification details all these 10 agencies who are going to monitor you. Earlier, you know, the data which was communicated, that was only intercepted, whether it was data or whether it was calls. But now with this new notification, data at rest, communication at rest can also be intercepted. So now the data received, stored or generated can also be scanned, because the power of seizures have been given to these various agencies. Like, for example, the Intelligence Bureau, you know, IB does not have powers of seizures. It goes in hands with the local police authorities. So to investigate any case, they always derive their powers from the local authorities. But now with this new notifications, seizure powers have also been given to Intelligence Bureau and RANW also. So this is kind of, you know, stretching the domain of investigating agencies. The Ministry of Home Affairs, Mr. Rajiv Gauba, the Home Secretary, has given powers to various agencies, and it has been seen that in the changing world, the Ministry of Home Affairs explanation is that in the changing world, you need to give more powers to these investigating agencies, and that is why the government came out with this new Gazette notification.